The best advice a golfer can receive for playing the 7th hole at Green Pond is commit to your tee shot. Arguably one of the most challenging holes on the golf course, the reason is the cavernous waste area that was created in 2020. To avoid this deep pit, you must hit a precise tee shot of 200 yards to the middle of the dogleg, allowing a short iron approach to the green. This waste area protects the entire right side of the hole, but still, longer hitters are tempted to drive their golf ball over this hazard, ending up near the front of the green. This is risky, as if you attempt to carry the waste area, this will require a carry of over 230 yards, and if struck less than perfectly, your ball will careen into the bottom of the hazard, leaving a very difficult task to make par. Longtime Green Pond employee Mikey Sidek coined the phrase the Bermuda Triangle, referring to the 5th, 6th, and 7th holes at Green Pond as the toughest stretch of holes on the golf course.